Hello, LIBOR. The ability, really the opportunity, to connect with fellow members is one of the most substantial benefits offered by your LIBOR membership. There are so many channels to connect with your colleagues, affiliates, business professionals, and government leaders. Members can enhance their professional credibility and visibility. And if you're not sure how to do that, get involved. Join a committee, join a council, attend your membership meetings, work on a community service project. Do just one of these things and you'll see that professional recognition comes easy when you get involved. The board is poised for an exciting 2022. Start the year off right. Attend LIBOR's virtual installation and awards event. Events like these are a valuable local resource to celebrate your colleagues and expand your network. On Thursday, December 2nd, LIBOR will be hosting our installation and award virtual event from 6 to 7 p.m. Come celebrate our incoming 2022 LIBOR Board of Directors and 2021 award recipients. Dress is business casual, so no tux or evening gowns expected this year. Go to lirealtor.com/installation to register today. This is a free member benefit, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, and have a great day.